1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, guys, we're doing a live podcast on the 7th of December. Okay, Drivers to Survive live podcast. It's at Caterpillar at 5:30 p.m. Ticket link is down below, and just bus.
See you all.
Just
Watch
see you
them.
all.
See you all.
5:30 p.m. Bye. Book tickets. Bye. Book tickets. Go.
Bye bye.
Easy.
Hello everybody, this is Michael Croft from Ernakulam district. And I just want to say that we had lot of papaya juice in the morning. papaya को छकड़ा छोड़ कर दिया, फ्लोर पे डाल के जूस बनाया यार. McLaren fans, where you at? हाँ, घर में चुपके बैठे है क्या? बिल से बाहर निकलो. साला डुप्लीकेट गाड़ी बना रहे सागिना के में. कौन रेस के बाद जाकर सॉन्ड पेपर से घिसा है नॉरिस का फ्लोर, वो डिस्कशन करेंगे. विथ मी आई है जॉलिन सा राजा गोविंद मेनन.
Oh, मैं वहाँ क्यों देख रहा था यहाँ पे?
तू मुझे देख रहा
हाँ, मैं तेरे को देख के ये कर रहा था.
गोविंद
Thank you.
you too
60 प्लस बाइन सा आवडता चंद.
60 plus, क्या बात है.
आणि इन कॉर्डरॉय शेड न्यू फक बॉय यशवर से.
नमस्कारम.
या
तेरा खुद का नाम भी तो बोल दे यार.
सिद्धार्थ शेट्टी या.
अरे everybody knows Shetty यार.
of course.
Shetty does not need any introduction.
Yeah.
मैन.
Does need बोलने वाला था.
हाँ? Doesn't
I
he?
was gonna say does need an introduction.
शेट्टी तो कोई शो कर रहा है, आने वाला है तेरा कोई शो वो.
I am going to do a solo show on
अरे,
6th of December
क्या बात है.
in
वेयर शेट्टी?
SP Auditorium
Oh,
Malad.
nice.
वेयर
What
कैन आई
time?
बाय द टिकट शेट्टी?
Tickets and book my show.
What time? What time?
Woohoo.
What time?
8 p.m.
Okay.
क्या
nice,
बात है.
nice. कितना सीटर है?
Huh? Where's the party tonight? SP Auditorium.
नहीं
अरे
जाओ
full house हो
टिकट
जाएगा
खरीदो.
यार. Please buy Shetty's
Please,
ticket.
मैं भी किसी की बेटी हूँ यार.
या कम ऑन यार.
इसके भी छोटे छोटे माँ बाप है.
हाँ भाई.
Yeah, guys. So yeah.
हाँ भाई मैं
So
McLaren.
let's start with the race that happened at the last Vegas Grand Prix. It was a pretty interesting race, and
Don't lie. It
The
was
race was
not
not
an
interesting.
interesting
Race
we are
was,
happy. We are
fun.
happy. We are
Yeah.
very happy. I have been तो full glow हो गया मेरे चेहरे पे.
I'm
अरे वो दिख रहा है हाँ
conflicted.
मेरे को. बहुत अच्छा ग्लो कर रहा है आज तो.
अच्छा लोग राख लाल हो गया खुशी से.
हाँ एकदम आंख लाल.
खुशी के आंसू.
खुशी के
खुशी
आंसू.
का आंसू बाड़ी के लिए.
I'm conflicted dude. खाली नॉरिस को होता मेरे को बहुत मजा आता. ये ऑस्कर now Max and him are level on points.
Yeah,
And
366.
से रह गया.
0.1.
0.026.
0.01 on one side,
हाँ.
0.02 or something on other side. It was otherwise.
Yeah, it was
मेरे को
sad.
लगता है देखो कि जो लैंडन और उसका फ्लोर घसा है ना, वो बंदे का नाम M से चालू होता है, सरनेम W से चालू होता है. और जिसने ऑस्कर का फ्लोर घसा है वो बंदे का नाम Z से चालू होता है और B से उसका
B
सरनेम.
से हाँ.
तो वो तो who has done the better job?
Mark Webber has.
It is certainly. बट मजा आया यार. क्या मसाला सैंडविच रेस थे यार.
बहुत मजा आया.
लैंडन नॉरिस क्या लगा तेरे को इतना आसान से चैंपियनशिप जीतेगा? कह रहे तेरे में दम नहीं है यार, तेरे में जिगर नहीं है.
ओए वो तो बहुत जन बोल रहे थे ना कि अब तो नॉरिस ही है, अब थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा मजा आएगा.
हम लोग ने भी बोला था by the way.
लग तो वही रहा था, सबको वही लग रहा था, बट
Yeah.
नाउ इट्स जस्ट बिकम वे मोर
Now
इंटरेस्टिंग.
it
It
feels
is.
like going into 2021 Abu Dhabi.
Yeah.
मजा तो आने वाला है.
Yeah.
अब बस कतार में ऑस्कर पियास्ट्री जीत जाए,
Yep.
फिर
फिर तो
जो मजा आएगा.
And it's a good track for Piastri.
Yeah.
Qatar is both of these, Abu Dhabi and Qatar are good tracks. Mostly Qatar. So I just hope that
He does seem very disappointed though. I don't
Of
know.
course he's disappointed, dude.
He's still at par with Max and Norris. But
performance-wise right now he's not.
Performance-wise is what it is taking the hit.
He's
But
not.
अभी
Consistency
points,
का ही है ना उसका भी.
yeah, the
Yeah.
points-wise he still has a chance, which is
He
equal to
could.
Max.
Equal to Max.
But again, it's Max Verstappen.
exactly when it's equal to
Yeah.
Max,
Yeah.
then Max only, na.
And seeing, dude, I had seen this one post on Reddit, I think, of how quickly the point difference went from like 100 to 0, and it took 6 races. That's
Yeah.
it. 6 races where Max went from like to Piastri to 100 points to 0. तो वो 6 races का फॉर्म लेके आ रहा है, and Piastri sadly doesn't have that
नहीं,
form.
but it coincided with Piastri's fuck all form also, na.
हाँ,
यार,
exactly.
मतलब
तो now going into Qatar and Abu Dhabi, it seems a little नहीं होने
honestly,
वाला है
like
ऐसा लग रहा है.
Piastri कतार में अच्छा तो करता है, तो if there is one place he can do well, this is it. And also there's a sprint. So
There's one race, one sprint, one race.
yeah. And he had won the sprint
3
last time,
places
na?
to grab points.
Last year he had won the sprint, Piastri.
Oh.
Yeah, na?
क्या बात है गोविंद?
I'm telling you, dude.
क्या
because
बात है?
That's why I'm so hopeful कि
सब
मैं
याद
कुछ
है
भी
इसको।
लेके बैठ जाऊंगा.
बट रेस मैक्स जीत गया था.
Oh man, ठीक है, but also ठीक है. But
It's okay, it's okay.
I'm just saying some hope.
Yeah,
कि
some hope.
okay, हो
Max
सकता
has to
है.
score
सेम ही है ना 24
20
24 के ऊपर मतलब.
No, I
24
think
तो
if
लगा
he comes
28
first,
or 30 के ऊपर he has to score to
Yeah.
win the
Yeah.
championship.
plus it's basically if he comes first in all three and Lando still comes
Third.
second, और ऐसा कुछ तो है, he wins.
How Verstappen can win the championship? He has to win Vegas, which he did. Now he has to win sprint and race in Qatar, which he will.
I mean he
Which he
will
will.
नहीं, he won't.
अरे लौड़े.
अबे मैं दूसरा
अच्छा,
सपोर्ट
fair.
कर रहा हूँ
Yeah,
क्या?
yeah,
सब
sorry,
एक
sorry,
ही
my bad, my
सपोर्ट
bad.
करेंगे.
I forgot. We collectively hate Lando, but we have
Yeah,
our own.
yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. And he has to win Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
But अगर ये तीनों में से कुछ भी नहीं हुआ, Lando has to get a total of 10, 18, 28 plus 6, 34 points. So if Max outscores that, he's the champion. Max or Piastri at this point.
Yeah.
I really मैं सपोर्ट तो कर रहा हूँ मगर ऐसा होप
Yeah.
तो ज्यादा है नहीं मेरे पास.
Either ways.
that is where the whole game comes into play. Na the sport is so tough. Even the best, we thought that PSG was mentally unpenetrable and he
वही
was
ना
at
calm and Iceman.
The better of the
वही.
two.
Yeah.
मेरे को वही लग रहा है कि he's still very young
Yeah.
and the pressure got to him, and I feel somewhere down the line when we talk about Max, people are talking about McLaren disqualification double, but we're not talking about how consistent Max is and Max
Yeah.
and and
I mean, I
he
think
can bounce back
everyone
just
knows.
like this. In like last race he wasn't there, this race he was there, and the guy is just perfect.
He
This
is.
is what we call a championship material. This is what we call a legend.
Yeah, one of the greats
हाँ,
वाला.
अपने ड्राइवर नंबर 2 को फालतू बात नहीं करने का मीडिया में, अपना काम करने का, चुपचाप काम करने का.
Yeah, dude.
अनलाइक लैंडो ने जो रिकार्डो के साथ किया था.
Yeah.
But also about the consistency part. Like Piastri has been inconsistent since the
Second
past.
half, after summer break.
After the summer break.
So
That also-
ब्रेकअप हो गया लगता है मेरे को.
वही क्या हो गया समर ब्रेक में भाई
मेरे को
उसके
लग रहा है,
साथ.
आप
There's
लोग
a
comment
huge-
section में कि क्या हो गया PSG.
It's also like कार का जो भी कार का
Development.
प्रॉब्लम था उसका और उसके कार का नॉट मैचिंग नॉट सिटिंग एंड एवरीबॉडी नोज कि वो सेकंड हाफ में ही इज नॉट दैट ग्रेट.
Yeah, last year भी.
But it's not just that, I feel. It's also a lot of confidence shift that has happened from him towards Norris.
Yeah.
From the internal team. That has made him come to a point like this.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, if you see, bro, उसका आँख देख के ही लग रहा था कि अगला रोके आया भाई.
रोके आया रहेगा भाई. मैं खुद इतना दुखी था उसके लिए.
dude.
वो तो होगा ही ना भाई. वो जी.
So that is something that has also made that setback for him where he's just like, it feels when nobody is listening to you, when nobody is
Yeah.
like having
Yeah.
that confidence.
It
in you.
is, dude. सुबह 9:30 को अलार्म लगा के दुखी होना is just insanity, dude.
संडे सुबह को.
संडे
Sunday
सुबह अलार्म
सुबह.
लगा के मैं उठा ना लाइक
अरे, अरे,
पियास्ट्री यार ये क्या
Yeah.
कर रहा है यार.
It feels very wrong at this point. But then
Yeah.
again, that's also something that he also has
Yeah.
to work on.
No, but it's okay. Third year
Yeah.
है again, and वो second या third भी आ सकता है वो.
Yeah, but
championship
racing
में.
gods, bro. Look at it. No, now Max and Piastri are on the same level. They both have to contest against Norris.
What an end to the
Yeah.
season,
And
dude.
Norris has been so shit since turn 1. Dude, race चालू होके खत्म उधर ही हो
I
गया.
think उसके it went to his head, dude. कि
That
मैं
he
तो
can-
अब
yeah,
बहुत
yeah.
अच्छा हो गया
He
हूँ.
can
वाला.
pull a Verstappen off
Because
Lauda.
that dive bomb that he did to block him in like leading
was-
to turn 1
was very
that was
unnecessary.
very aggressive.
नहीं, he
Very
that's why he fucked
unnecessary
up
it
ना.
was.
अरे क्या
No, no.
अजीब ही था. He
See-
had to go wide. उसके बाद क्योंकि कुछ
Exactly.
ज़्यादा ही आ
See,
गया वो.
I feel like unnecessary का बात नहीं है. Like you do all this
नहीं,
shit,
नहीं,
but you have to follow through also.
Yeah, exactly.
Like you can't dive and then go wide. Then what's the point of
Then
you
what's the
diving
point?
only?
अरे वही तो बात है ना कि both Norris and PSG as a first time they're coming very close to being champions.
Yeah.
And Verstappen has played this game
Four
for a-
times. Fight.
for
four,
a
four
while,
times.
and especially the 2021 season when he won, it was like he was competing against Hamilton. और मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना guys कि Hamilton के against अगर आप championship जीतते हो ना, मेंटली ना वो आपको इतना स्ट्रांग बना देता है.
100%.
हैमिल्टन भी ऐसा ड्राइवर है जो गलती नहीं करता है.
Yeah.
यार, निको रॉसबर्ग रिटायर कर दिया भाई. बोला कि माँ की आंख खत्म, मैं अभी YouTube चॅनल चालू करने वाला. हे गाइस, आम्ही आलो आहे इकडे मस्तपैकी मटन थाली खायला. निको रॉसबर्ग वो कर रहा है. मेरे को लगता है कि that kind of shaped Verstappen. And he had been chasing the championship for years.
Yeah.
So this him
7
dive
years, no? उसके पहले it took him 7 years, हाँ.
like this, like the way Lando dive bomb went wide. It just shows that इतने साल के बाद भी Lando lacks the maturity.
But I mean, I feel like it is no matter how much I dislike Lando, it's just that he's this close, dude. So
Yeah, it's
it'll
those jitters,
it'll
eh?
make anyone a little
Yeah.
desperate to be like, भाई कुछ भी करके मेरे को first जाना है.
वैसा
That's
भी है,
okay.
like, even-
What's happened? Sorry.
No, even with like how you said about Hamilton and Verstappen, that was Verstappen's first, but Hamilton's seventh, dude. So to know that you are out and out, sort of battling it out with like a 7-time
Yeah.
WDC, dude, your confidence, like, I'm sure he'll become impenetrable after that win.
That's true.
और उसने बताया 21, 22, 23, 24, dude. And I feel like Lando is one of those people who also at some point I think everyone knew he will become a WDC.
Yeah.
Kitna wo is debatable.
Yeah.
But it's like year
Zero.
now for him. It's like year.
Exactly.
And he's chased by two people. One his own teammate and one the guy who has won 4 times.
Yeah,
dude.
that
So-
will make you do. I understand why he did the dive bomb.
उसका
It's
pressure
not,
तो- अरे, उसका
dude.
pressure
Max in 2021 and उसके पहले you've seen how
Yeah,
the
yeah.
fuck he was driving. वो पूरा चूते जैसे ही कर रहा था.
Yeah.
Honestly, कुछ भी कर रहा था. After that he calmed down. After the WTC थोड़ा सा he was like ठीक है 2-3 हो गए अब ठीक है.
These are
भाई,
the
यार,
starting
तो-
years, no? That's why. Because starting years, mein, everyone is desperate.
Yeah, yeah, वही. You
But
just become desperate.
only
First championship maybe you just want it so bad. I guess you become desperate.
Yeah,
dude.
Max has like fucking thrown his car in the wall. He's
Ah.
fucked up his car so many times for
that's
him
like
to
a
reach
first
over here.
relationship, you put a lot of efforts, you talk to her. तुम रात भर बात करते हो. वीजा विज टू अटेंड रिलेशनशिप लाइक अरे मैं सो जाता हूँ यार. लाइक आई स्लेप्ट अर्ली यस्टरडे
Hey, I passed out.
बट अब फैमिली मैन सीजन 3 देख रहे थे 2 बजे तक. क्या बोलूं मैं.
This feels like a very
Damn,
personal
dude.
example, dude. Shit.
What if that
Family
person
man
is
thing.
watching and knows that you're lying?
अरे नहीं मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
कभी
Oh, अच्छा. Theoretically.
कभी तुम लोग ऐसा नहीं
नाम भी बोल ही दे भाई अब.
पागल है क्या? कुछ भी क्या हर चीज में क्या लेना है? इसमें बोल रहा हूँ. मैं कल फैमिली में सीजन 3 देख रहा था करके. अरे तुम लोग का कभी ऐसा नहीं होता है कि तुम लोग को जैसा टीवी सीरीज देख रहे हो एकदम इंटरेस्ट है तभी कॉल आया जाता है लाइक अरे वैसा. बट जब फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप रहता ना लाइक चल चल सेक्स मिलने वाला है.
तो
अरे
इसका
बाप रे.
मैक्स और लैंडो से क्या लेना देना था?
So this is
अच्छा फर्स्ट WTC.
Yeah.
like you are vulnerable
Yes.
when it's your first.
Yeah.
You have a lot of emotions attached to it, and
Yeah.
And that emotions make you behave rashly.
Yeah.
You lose your objectivity.
Yeah.
तू देखना जो FY SYJC के बच्चे लोग ऐसा बात करते ए तू मेरा फोन काहे को नहीं उठा रही तू मैं मर गया तो तू ऐसे तो बात करते रहे. This is the first relationship वाला ये कि you have no
पानी देना.
experience.
Yeah.
See
Thank you.
how technically and how with real life issues that we connect racing.
Technically तो मत बोल. Real
Technically
life,
मत
yes.
बोल.
हाँ.
हाँ.
So that
Practically
you-
बोल.
So we're taking it from point A to point B, and so that you guys understand.
Technically is तू मेरा फोन क्यों नहीं उठा रही? Is very technical.
When we talk about Verstappen, अभी तुम लोग बोलेगा कि Verstappen ऐसा ड्राइवर है ना कि कब उसका फॉर्म वापस आएगा, कब वो मतलब वो ये होता ही नहीं है. वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको, लॉग आउट होता ही नहीं है किसी चीज.
मतलब
Yeah.
बीच में एक्चुअली मतलब सीजन के बीच में वो ही वाजंट एनीवेयर बट लाइक द थिंग इज इट्स ऐसा लगता है कि इट्स ऑलवेज इमिनेंट कि ये कभी तो वापस आ जाएगा.
yeah,
ऐसा स्लीपिंग ड्रैगन जैसा है कि अबे भाई आ गया लौड़े लगता है सबके फिर और आ गया अभी वापस.
And I feel Abhi at this situation, like Max has nothing to lose.
Yeah.
He's proved
That's true.
time and again
Yeah.
he can. But McLaren have everything to
Everything.
gain. So it's a very dangerous position, Abhi.
Yeah, it's more McLaren has way more to lose here.
Yeah,
Bro, they
people-
don't care at this point, I feel. I'll tell you why.
McLaren-
क्योंकि championship मिल गया ना उन लोग को.
कंस्ट्रक्टर्स
हाँ, constructors मिल गया.
see like नाम तो बहुत ज्यादा ही खराब हो जाएगा ना. बिगेस्ट
नाम खराब-
बॉटलर्स
अरे
भाई अगर मैक्स आके जीत गया इसके बाद ड्राइवर्स लाइक नाम खराब हो जाए. पैसे मिल गए
At this
मगर
point, what is stopping Mark Webber from telling Piastri, listen,
ठोक दे.
ठोक दे गाड़ी
What is
नॉरिस का-
stopping?
नहीं सुन नॉरिस का गाड़ी ठोक दे. अगले साल तेरे को बेटर टीम में मिल जाएगा because everybody in the grid knows that Piastri is a great fucking driver.
dude, but-
what does he have to
नहीं, but
lose now?
still- dude, नाम
तो
तो-
किसी को सुपारी देने का उसका.
किसका नॉरिस
किमी को
केमी को बोलेगा बेटा तुला सूरज वॉटर पार्क आणि तुला शिरा खायला घालतो मी.
सूरज टिकुचिनीवाडी
ओके काका, काय करायचंय ठोकून टाक.
बाप रे.
मेरे को बस यही बोलने का है ऑस्कर पियास्ट्री के घर वालों से, आप लोग आपके बच्चे का नहीं है का फिक्र. अगर चैंपियनशिप जीतने का है तो असल चैंपियन भी होना चाहिए मैनेजर सेबेस्टियन वेटल.
अरे ऐसे मत बोल भाई अब ठीक है. नहीं बट इट्स ट्रू मार्क वेबर जैसे ही हो रहा है अभी पियास्ट्री का सेकंड हाफ.
Of course, and that's the most disappointing part. And the fucked up part is everyone is like talking about disqualification. किसी ने देखा ही नहीं कि हास को डबल पॉइंट्स मिला.
हाँ
Double-
बैमन 10th है ना.
Dude, we'll come to this. It's amazing. It's like a
It's
butterfly
crazy,
effect,
dude.
dude. Ki McLaren got double disqualification and everything improved.
Yeah.
Everything,
ये भी
everyone.
हल्केनबर्ग भी कहा है अभी.
Hulkenberg came sixth, I think,
One sec.
after the double disqualification. He's 10th in drivers, dude.
That's mad,
Why?
bro.
That is mad that he's in the top. That makes me very happy, dude.
Dude,
कि
I can't
Hulkenberg-
believe after so many years, Hulkenberg is having his prime
Yeah.
with kicks over, dude.
yeah. ऑडी के
Sure.
dude, ऑडी को मतलब अच्छा है फिर एक
Yeah,
साल
yeah.
ऑडी के एक साल पहले.
देखा क्या वो लिवरी ऐसा लगता है आधा पेंट करके छोड़ा.
नहीं मेरे को अच्छा लगा. मेरे को अच्छा लगा. तेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा. हर चीज का मजाक क्यों उड़ाएगा बस.
अरे ऐसे ना आधे पे छोड़ दिया पेंटिंग मतलब अरे मजा नहीं आ रहा है बोले अरे लॉन्च है अरे गाड़ी निकालो बाहर गाड़ी
मेरे को
निकालो.
अच्छा लगा.
अरे
That's
करेंगे,
one of the
करेंगे.
rules for next year now.
Yeah,
Regulations.
less carbon fiber.
Less carbon
Yeah.
fiber. 55% of the car
paint.
has to be in livery,
Yeah,
so
livery,
that
sorry.
you don't show off the carbon fiber.
वरना एक ही
Yeah.
जैसे दिखते हैं भाई सब.
Because otherwise, it's very like even this season, if you see Mercedes and all, it's very naked body types.
Yeah.
Yeah.
हाँ अभी तो मस्त वो लोग ऐसा पीकॉक बगड़ा फ्लैमिंगो ड्रॉ करना.
यहाँ पे
हाँ,
जैसे
क्योंकि पेंट जितना कम यूज करेंगे उतना कम
It's like
कार का weight.
exactly how
Yeah.
they got their name Silver Arrows because they literally didn't paint the car, so it was silver नीचे.
यहाँ पे
So-
जैसे फ्लाईओवर के नीचे पेंट करते हैं ना आप वैसे ऊपर पेंट
ऐसा
करें.
मल्टी कलर.
Also, I must say, very off topic, but Lando Norris का helmet देखा तुम लोग ने?
अच्छा था.
Yeah, the painted one.
It
na?
was
Dude,
so cool, and
Lando's-
even the miniature
Yeah, where
paintings.
he's throwing
that
the-
was perfect,
Lando's
dude.
helmet designs are top notch,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, yeah.
It's like always.
He
one of
knows
the
where to
best.
spend the money.
Yeah,
Dude,
very well.
honestly, like I know it's random, but I really liked Lewis Hamilton's helmet also. It's very
Oh, yeah, that
Very
flashy
like
thing.
proper
silver.
shiny shimmer
Yeah.
silver.
वही,
मजा आया.
I think
Very
वो-
Vegas.
I think he blinded everyone with that helmet. तो सबके आगे चला गया वो
That's why I
20th
was
से आगे.
wondering, like, people don't mind that or what, like on the grid.
By the way, Hamilton, in under 1 lap or 2 laps, he went from
Gained-
20th to 12th.
Yeah,
he
yeah.
gained a
I
lot of
didn't
places.
see
He
how
gained-
he did. How the fuck did he do?
So
He came
because-
P8.
Yeah, because
नहीं,
the
नहीं,
first lap
one
only.
lap.
No,
हाँ.
race.
Yeah, yeah.
First lap only when Bortoleto crashed, which was which was a thing of its own because
Yeah.
I was like, dude, it's a straight and a left-hander.
He
Dude.
dived
You
bomb.
are on the left-hand side, not even the right-hand side. Everyone is turning left. You go straight, dude. I'm like, there is zero differential outcome of what you're doing right now.
This is what I do in F1 PS5, and then I
Yeah.
crash, then I go restart session, and then I do it
Exactly,
again.
dude.
And you know what the fuck up was? Like, 2-3 lap तक बताया ही नहीं है कि वो टर्न 1 में क्या हुआ.
Yeah.
I'm wondering why is stroll out, dude.
Yeah.
because
Race शुरू नहीं हुआ,
they
stroll
were-
out
they
कैसे
were
हो गया?
focusing, like TV director was focusing a lot more on Max
Yeah,
and
1, 2, 3,
Lando,
of course.
yeah.
Of course.
Which made sense, but after a point पता था कि यही है. तो भाई पीछे वाला भी रिप्ले बता दो यार.
It
but
was
but they hugged
crazy.
it out. Stroll और Bortoleto एक फोटो देखा मैं दोनों हग कर रहे हैं. सॉरी बोला Bortoleto उसको.
स्ट्रोल ने कॉल किया ना बोलो बोटेलोटो को बोलेगा तेरे घर का जो जमीन है ना घर के बाहर का वो सब खरीद
मैं
लेगा।
खरीदूंगा और उसके
अच्छा,
ऊपर
सब क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
ब्राजील खरीद लेगा वो.
हाँ बोलेगा अरे भाई आके करता ना अगेज करता.
But yeah, dude, I feel that Bortoleto crash was unnecessary. और
It was
उसमें
very
it was
unpredictable
like,
for him.
क्यों safe? मतलब safety car तो of course, but it was hilarious because if you've seen last 2-3 races से, this race also had that Marshall issue.
Oh, yeah.
where marshals were running on a live
Dude,
track.
I swear.
It should have been a VSC. It was
Yeah.
only double yellow and
It was
marshals are
double-
on the track.
It was double yellow in the start, and it was the first turn only. So
बचा हुआ भी था वहाँ पे एक
हाँ.
कचरा.
So marshals came with like वो झाड़ू मारने के लिए, and you can see in the
The cars
distance कि the
coming.
cars are coming, dude.
Yeah, dude, I don't know why they keep doing that. बोला भी वो लोग ने some miscommunication
Yeah, yeah.
between the
stewards and the marshals.
But how can it be miscommunication every race, dude?
अरे क्या क्या मालूम है वो लोग तो बताता हूँ मैं.
बता.
मार्शल को सुपारी मिला. मार्शल जाके ना बराबर नॉरिस आ रहा था ना, नीचे ये रखा कीला डाल के रखा.
अच्छा, उससे उसका फ्लोर फक हो गया.
हाँ.
कोई ना कोई जैसे नॉरिस आता था ना और एक किला मार्क वेबर उधर 5-5 रुपए देते.
तो पियास्ट्री का कैसे गया? वही पियास्ट्री का भी कैसे फक हो
का
गया?
ये देख के जैक ब्राउन ने किया, बट जैक ब्राउन को पकड़ा हुआ है. ये जाड़िए लौड़े क्या कर रहा है.
अच्छा.
वो मैनहोल कवर है ना, जब फॉर्मेशन लैप खत्म हो गया ना, कोई खोल के नीचे ऐसा घस रहा था उसका.
But that manual thing had happened again. I don't know if you guys know during practice. or
I
quali, one
saw
of them.
वो last year भी हुआ था.
Yeah,
I saw a meme where
no, that was not a manual cover. That was just like a small thing.
No manual cover.
नहीं नहीं
No,
वो
last
छोटा
year
था.
भी
Last
था.
Science वाला ना?
साइंस का
Manual
गाड़ी
cover.
जो fuck हुआ, that was a smaller one. This was a proper like
Yeah, this was तो proper
हाँ,
नाला
which
वाला.
was lifting up and down only when cars are passing through.
Dude, and you know what they did? If you see the video also, then they changed the manual cover और वो थोड़ा ऊपर आ रहा था or something. So they took a grinder and they just like घस दिया उन लोगों ने.
And then they welded it
और
on
उन्होंने
each
weld कर
on
दिया.
four
I
sides.
love how for the pinnacle of sport sometimes they just do such bullshit.
Dude, this is like
What works?
Yeah,
Works
this is like,
100%.
I think you remember. I think last season or last season.
Tape.
सुनोडा का ही था ना, जिधर वो रियर विंग उन लोग ने टेप से ही लगा
Yeah.
दिया, dude.
That's exactly what I was thinking
Yeah.
of when I said this. Ki,
Exactly like his car development. अरे सुना गाड़ी है यार, कुछ भी बना तो सुना अरे वो पड़ा हुआ ना वो 2021 का वो लगा तो पार्ट.
But talking about Max and all is good. मतलब he got drivers of the day. But for me, Antonelli deserved it.
Antonelli was, I think,
what a season for Antonelli, yeah.
what a,
Bro,
dude,
what a
came back
great
and
season,
how,
dude.
man, oh my god. Oh, there's a video of Antonelli telling him after the race telling Max just uska haath mila raha, and Max asks him ki, oh, what
Oh,
position
well-
did you come in? And he says 4. And Max is like, what? He's also very happy. It's very nice, dude.
yeah.
It's very nice
That's
to see.
very
He's 17 to podium, man.
Yeah.
Podium to theek hai by happens.
And coming from Max, because Max has
Yeah.
also done that and he's also done pit lane to podium.
And rookie year, by the
Yeah,
way.
dude.
And I think in that sense, Max and Antonelli are very similar. Like started very young.
Yeah.
Like I think Antonelli का भी वैसा है कि he's in the team to be there for the long run.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think he empathizes somewhat with him कि हाँ, I can see how it goes.
I think Max also talent recognizes talent, game recognizes
Game.
और
वो भी नहीं बोल पाए.
हीरे की पहचान मामलेदार मिसल वाले को ही होती है. But I just wanted to say
I
that
love Mamledar. I'm sorry.
Yeah, Mamledar is very
मेरे को
good.
लगता है कि देखो इस वेरी वो बॉटलेटो को हमेशा बोलता है कि भाई ये है और फिर एंटोनियो उसको कुछ तो दिख रहा है, इसलिए कभी उसने नॉरिस के लिए ऐसा बोला ही नहीं.
नहीं, वो तो दोस्त थे ना. है.
I mean, friends तो everyone is.
नहीं,
but-
not everyone.
No, I think more or less तो.
रसल किसी का दोस्त नहीं है.
But
है ना?
more or less the
Russell-
क्या
greatest.
बोल रहा है भाई?
Russell-
रसल, एल्बिन और नॉरिस बहुत अच्छे दोस्त
Yeah,
हैं.
yeah.
यार वो प्रिटेंड करते हैं वो लोग.
अबे-
अरे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया अलग से रसल के बिना.
तू है क्या?
हाँ, उसमें मेरे को बोलते हैं काम कर रसल का फिल्टर देके ना गाली देना. क्या रे रसल तेरा मसल किधर है रसल.
एक ग्रुप में एल्बिन, रसल और नॉरिस. एक ग्रुप में
बाकी सब लोग.
तू, नॉरिस और एल्बिन.
Yeah.
बट रसल के साथ ऐसा है ना कि मेरे को तो लगता है कि रसल के फैंस किधर है.
है बट कम है.
हाँ,
मगर
और
कम
लोग
है.
आवाज नहीं करते मेरे को
हाँ,
लगता है.
ज्यादा आवाज नहीं
विक्रोली
करते.
में रहते हैं वो लोग.
सब पूरा विक्रोली.
कुछ विक्रोली में तो कुछ पनवेल साइड में तो कुछ कद्दत साइड में रहते हैं.
हाँ, इसके लिए
Yeah.
टाइम लगता है उन लोग आने
हाँ.
ट्रैक पे.
नहीं, but है.
4 different time zones, no?
Yeah, yeah.
रसल के फैंस तो है, क्योंकि आई नो इट, क्योंकि मैं जाके उसके प्रोफाइल में यही देखने गया था कि क्या बोलते हैं इसके कमेंट सेक्शन में लोग. और है तो सही भाई, बहुत जन है कि
Yeah.
लव यू, कम ऑन, वी कैन डू दिस. आई एम लाइक, ओह, देयर इज अ होल सेक्शन.
CR63, let's
Yeah.
go.
I'm like, there's a whole section of the internet who's
Yeah, yeah.
every race they're like George Russell, which I never
But
thought
where I
about.
was going with this is that अगर रसल के फैंस है तो आ जाओ ना. 7 दिसंबर अबू धाबी जीपी
Live
जहाँ पे
podcast.
पहली बार रसल अपना डेब्यू किया था
हाँ.
मर्सिडीज के लिए. आ जाओ और हमारे साथ देखिए, लाइव पॉडकास्ट है, हम लोग मस्त मजा करने वाले. रसल फैंस भी आइए, हमको देखना है ये कौन है रसल का फैन, हमको उससे मिलना है, उसके साथ वार्तालाप करना है, मिलेंगे, चिल करेंगे.
5:30.
5:30
Yes.
PM टिकट्स ऑन बुक माई शो. लिंक हम लोग इधर तो डालेंगे, इधर मेरे माथे पे.
डिस्क्रिप्शन में
Description. Ideally description.
Yes.
Going ahead, yeah.
हाँ.
But yeah, dude, great week for Mercedes out of nowhere. मतलब
Yeah.
अच्छा था ही. It just became better.
Yeah, they gained more points than
Double
theirs.
podium, dude.
Yeah.
Now
Double
they
podium.
are second, na? And they were second
They
anyway.
were
Now
second
they are-
only.
yeah,
431
Yeah.
now.
उसके
I mean, it's McLaren because they have form. Then
Yeah.
it's Mercedes because they also have form.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it's
Then it's
just
Red Bull and
because
Ferrari.
Max is driving.
Yeah, and then
Ferrari
Ferrari.
because they are managing somewhere.
Ferrari also because of Leclerc only.
Dude, Ferrari की बात तो मतलब क्या अभी
Leclerc has
थोड़ा और बात
220.
करते ना.
एंटोनी का बात करते हैं. मेरे को तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, मेरे को बहुत सही लगा एंटोनी को
Dude,
देख के.
he pitted under VSC on lap 2 to
Yeah,
hards. और उसने पूरा रेस किया भाई हार्ड्स
40 कितने laps?
48 laps 50
48.
laps का रेस था सेकंड लैप ही pitted.
अच्छा
call था,
सेकंड ओनली
अच्छा
ही
call
पड़े
था.
था. Yeah, very good call. And also 5 second penalty था उसका.
Yeah.
वो
Exactly.
किसके लिए था? I forgot.
So he had a false start. So basically he moved the car before the lights went
लग
out.
नहीं रहा था replay.
लग
3
नहीं रहा था,
centimeters.
हाँ, but
3
it was
centimeters.
very tiny. So even when you see the replay, you can't make out that.
Yeah, I couldn't.
It wasn't like Piastri's false start. कि
Exactly.
दिख रहा है एकदम
Yeah,
clearly.
yeah, yeah.
It was very slight.
It was very slight. But the genius of him, I feel, is everyone thought that he'll come after Leclerc with the 5 second penalty. But he managed to close the gap, dude.
Yeah.
And then he actually came like in the final standing before McLaren got DSQ. He actually managed to come before Leclerc, dude.
Yeah, man.
That was very good drive from him.
What
It was,
a
and he Piastri couldn't overtake him also, na?
Piastri couldn't overtake
That
him.
was a very confusing thing because I was like Piastri, I want Piastri, to
Piastri
overtake,
because the
but I want-
McLarens had the problems
Yeah.
towards the end of like the second
yeah,
half.
they had a full. But very ऐसा शेडी वे में वो
Yeah.
लोग ने किया वो एंड का.
वो end में, end
Yeah.
में.
Initially, I'm so sorry. Initially, the reason why I thought was they were lifting and just using overtake was because वो लोग का fuel का problem
हाँ
है.
वो
Yeah.
लोग ने वही बोला था.
Yeah, because it then makes sense. Then you don't put that acceleration.
Yeah,
you just use
like
your back
yeah,
to
like
overtake
go.
how much ever you can. I didn't expect that to happen.
No,
I
but
also
I'll tell you, matlab, we weren't talking in that time, but I had a feeling it's too shady. Because, dude, if you see the last 2-3 laps, Norris ka, I understand lift and ghost, but he was dropping like massively, dude. Like,
From
I think,
2-3 seconds नहीं कितना
I
था?
think pehle he had a distance of like around 8 seconds or something to max.
नहीं
And-
इससे कम था but
हाँ मतलब whatever
20.
उतना था.
Something.
जब सेकंड पे था, I think this is in middle, like 22nd 23rd
हाँ
lap पे.
whatever.
तो he was not able to, like वो gap close ही नहीं कर पा रहा था, like first
Yeah.
time में ले गया था.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then when they gave him a instruction on 48 lap ki lift and coast, dude, he kept dropping instantly, like to the point where I think 2 lap mein Russell was like 3 seconds behind
Yeah.
him, dude.
One more lap and Russell would have overtaken.
Exactly.
But Russell also had problems, so we would never know. उसका
Yeah.
steering का problem
उसका
चल रहा
steering
था.
का problem था,
They
but
had changed the entire component before the race.
Russell
Before or like after the qualies, one of them, yeah. It wasn't aligning properly, so the entire component which attaches to the steering wheel, they had to change all of that. They did change it, and then again during the race, they had the same problem. Because
Yeah.
Russell complained about that.
He was
thing.
really complaining.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Russell complain करता है, बहुत गुस्सा आता है, पता नहीं. I don't mind
Russell
Russell
complain
anymore.
करता है, ऐसे लगता है क्या fucking रंडी रोना चल रहा है.
हाँ ना, full रंडी रोना होता है उसका यार. I don't,
इतना
you know,
भाई.
I really don't mind Russell now. I don't know, he's warmed up to me now. I don't mind him. But वो ये सब करता है, ऐसे चिल्लाने लगता है, like
Yeah.
यही है भाई, इसी की
Yeah.
वजह से मेरे को थोड़ा
I think
irritate
इसके लिए
होता
उसका
था.
रेडियो ज्यादा टेलीकास्ट करते भी नहीं
नहीं
है.
है.
हाँ वो लोग नहीं करते, उसका बीप करते, उसके इसमें ना वो लोग ये लूनी ट्यून्स बजाते हैं.
उसकी इसमें वो लेगो वाला कार जो कल था,
Oh,
वो
yeah.
दिखाने लग जाते हैं.
Cadillac.
अरे
We'll talk about
रसल के टाइम पे ना तो टोटो बोलता आए जाओ यार रसल काय बोलतो आए जाओ.
But I think the best thing about McLaren winning, leave Anthony, leave Russell, is the admin who changed the poster for their position. Dude.
Mercedes, na?
हाँ, Mercedes. It was too funny where they just took the poster, they cancelled it और उसके
iPad में
ऊपर
किया
ही
रहेगा, पेन निकाला रहेगा, क्या करने
Yeah.
का अभी छोड़ो यार. X P2 P3.
मजा आ गया वो देख के भाई, बहुत सही था वो.
Nothing, इतना कम एफर्ट, अच्छा लगता है देख के.
Yeah.
हाँ.
It's like अभी कौन ग्राफिक डिजाइनर को उठाएगा
हाँ,
सुबह
क्या है?
It's exactly like इतना कम effort that George put to be in that position compared to Kimi coming from P17 to P3.
I never
Bro.
thought that George randomly P3 तो हो जाता है.
Yeah.
I never thought उसके आगे भी जाएगा. हमेशा P3 में ही
This
रहेगा.
was
मुझे लगा.
random of randoms podiums.
Yeah.
But एंथोनी का भी एक रील था where पोडियम के बाद I think he only put it where उसके बाद वो ऐसा चल के आ रहा है पूरा ऐसा पार्टी जैसा पूरा है कि P3 पोडियम वाला.
He's wearing that disco lights.
Disco lights. Yeah,
That's
exactly.
Vegas, baby. That's
Yeah.
Vegas.
अरे तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है मर्सिडीज के इसमें ऐसा रहेगा टोटो वुल्फ में कि ऐसा बोला रसल आ रहेगा. अरे पीटू भाई वाला हटना इंच. अरे इंटो चीरा देता हूँ.
टोटो तो कल बहुत खुश था because F1 Academy का कल फाइनल रेस था.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Doreen.
Yeah, she won. फाइनल रेस के फॉर्मेशन लैप में ही 2 गाड़ी आउट हो गए.
कौन से मैक्लारेन 2
उधर भी McLaren.
पहले ही रेस के पहले रेस के बाद कभी रेस में कुछ नहीं इसके पहले बाद.
Yeah.
But yeah, overall I
Doreen
think Toto
Pin.
and Suzy Wolf ताई के लिए अच्छा वीक था.
Yeah, very
Yeah.
nice week. They enjoyed
But,
a lot.
Dude, Williams ka I'd seen a tweet, okay, and it genuinely sums up what they have been this year. I saw a tweet ki Williams, even when they're doing great, only one of their
1%.
drivers can do great. The other has to eat shit. And it's
Yeah.
true, dude. कल
Albon,
साइंस
dude.
इतना ऊपर एल्बन लास्ट में बैठा हुआ था फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम.
और
Yeah.
पैसा नहीं है ना वो लोग कैसा रहता है कैसा है कि उनके पास एक गाड़ी के ऊपर बाकी गाड़ी में ना वो लोग से गाड़ी अंदर ताड़पत्री इंजन भी नहीं रहता है.
मेरे कॉलेज में
भाग के जाते कभी कभी पीछे ना एल्बन को बोलते हैं,
Flintstones.
कोई नहीं देख रहा.
हाँ बे.
नहीं मेरे कॉलेज
बेचारा
में
DNF ही हो गया यार. वो.
मेरे कॉलेज में एसी हुआ करता था और एसी के अंदर कुछ नहीं था. अंदर कबूतर बैठे रहते थे.
बहुत flex
वैसे ही वैसे.
बहुत फ्लेक्स कर रहा है. कॉलेज में एसी था.
अबे अंदर कबूतर था. ये क्या फ्लेक्स है भाई कि अंदर कबूतर है. वो थोड़ी फूक
बहुत
मार
बहुत
रहे हैं।
फ्लेक्स कर रहा है
And
तू.
I think Albon को काफी पहले ही रिटायर कर देना चाहिए था because
Yeah.
he anyway had a 5-second
बट
penalty.
क्या लिवरी था विलियम्स का.
Dude, that was a
It was so-
very sexy livery.
Yeah, that was good. It was so weird because he came into the pits to get his wing changed and they didn't change his wing.
था ही नहीं वाले के पास.
They didn't change
वाले के
the
पास
wing
था ही
only.
नहीं. बोले क्या लौड़े कौन सा विंग लौड़े है ही नहीं एक ही
And
तो
if you
है.
see the onboard camera, he's like wing, wing, wing. उसका हाथ उतना पहुंचता भी नहीं है लेकिन वो ऐसे कर रहा था. But then they were like, no, go. He went.
अरे उन लोग ने खरीद लिया अरे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट
अरे
एक्सेल
यार.
तो पैसा खत्म ये सीजन का.
It's
अभी अगले
over.
सीजन
But
में.
I thought है पैसा. वो लोग के पास अभी तो है ना पैसा. ऐसा कोई
पैसा तो
problem
है.
नहीं है विलियम्स का.
हाँ
I don't know, man.
मिडिल क्लास कितना भी अमीर हो जाए वो रहता मिडिल क्लास.
Middle
उन लोग का
class ही
वैसा ही है.
True.
logic
Good
उनका.
point. Good
Great
point.
point. Great point.
You saw the drivers parade video of Sainz and ये
They were running, no, for the car.
Sainz and
Yeah.
Albon. तो drivers parade में ना that made these because Las Vegas that made these miniature cars for every team.
Was that Las Vegas or Mexico?
No, Las
Mexico में
Vegas
भी
only.
था.
Mexico में भी
Yeah.
था, but this was like one of those. I think Lego का sponsorship था, so they made like these very tiny cars, but per team one car only.
Yeah.
So there's this video where Sainz and Albon are coming ऐसे सीढ़ी
And
से
they saw
नीचे.
the car.
And they saw the car and they were like एक ही है. तो Albon तो भागा भाई और Sainz भी भागा और Albon पहले ही जाके बैठ गया कि मैं चलाएगा.
Cute, cute,
adorable.
cute.
Yeah,
Cute,
very
cute,
cute they are.
जब गाड़ी मतलब कुछ करेगी नहीं
भाई को चलाने का तो चलाने
भाई को
का.
चलाने
Yeah,
का. गाड़ी तेरा भाई चलाएगा. हाँ क्या
अपना फेरारी में कल हैमिल्टन तो भाई क्या क्या बोलने लग गया कि भाई आई एम नॉट लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट सीजन.
नेक्स्ट सीजन.
अरे भाई क्या मतलब इतना तोड़ दिया रे मतलब इतना खराब टीम मेरे को तो लगता है कि भाई मतलब तोड़ ही दिया उसको लोग ने
Dude,
अंदर
they
से.
are very tone deaf also क्योंकि I mean tone deaf ने अब ये करना तो पड़ता ही रहेगा but still after the qualifying Ferrari put a post being like दोनों ड्राइवर का दिखाते हैं ना पोजीशन तो Leclerc P9 Hamilton P20 and then नीचे looking forward to the Las Vegas like क्यों कर रहे हो नीचे literally comments मैं देख के बोला ये क्या कर रहे
Hoping
हो
for the best कुछ लिख दो यार.
यार नीचे comments में भी वही है कि why did you post this And like,
Comments
yeah,
are
true, dude.
wild in every post. McLaren put a post saying whatever happened after the disqualification. Everyone in the comments are like, do, Max Verstappen, Zach Brown hate button. And I'm like, भाई public को chill है ही नहीं यार comments में. अपने comments में भी public को chill नहीं है, which is all right. We don't
Okay,
mind
it's
it.
just
We love it.
sports. It's just
Yeah.
sports. dude.
Yeah.
Call us DTS fans. We are.
It's just gaming man.
Yeah, it's sports man. Sports यही होता है.
Yeah.
हम लोग के कमेंट्स में सब कुछ चाहिए कि सब सिर्फ नॉरिस को सपोर्ट करे. बाकी
Yeah.
19 ड्राइवर घर ही चले जाए है ना बस नॉरिस अकेले चलाए.
हम लोग के haters comment वालों को चाहिए कि हम लोग थोड़ा टेक्निकल ज्यादा बात करें. क्यों भाई?
नहीं क्यों नहीं मेरे को नहीं पता है भाई मैं क्या बात
भाई?
करूं भाई.
क्यों बात करे यार हम लोग को मैथ्स पे कम मार्क्स आया था.
Racing Bulls, dude. Quite great form.
लॉसन को क्या हो गया?
Lawson had
अच्छा क्यों चलाने लग गया आजकल?
नहीं कल लेकिन अच्छा नहीं गया
नहीं but
उसका.
No, he was
he was
he
fine.
He tried his best.
No, I think he had some issue
He had an issue. He had a full issue.
Yeah.
पूरा नीचे चला गया था, but he was doing fine. in
He was
But
in.
abhi racing bulls mein who is looking at Lawson? Everyone's looking at Hajar only.
नहीं, but Lawson's, I think he's trying to save his seat, but there's no saving it if Lindblad is coming. But he's doing a good job all of a sudden. Right?
Maybe before Abu Dhabi they'll announce about the 2026
Lindblad
lineups.
wala.
See, I to feel right now Racing Bulls are doing a much better job than Sonoda anyway.
Yeah.
So it shows good on like Lawson's part ki he's able to handle it, dude.
Yeah.
And who thought like Racing Bulls will be in like top 10, dude?
Yeah.
And Sonoda is constantly 17, 18, 19.
कौन मैं भूल जाता वो है कल मैं नीचे देखा वाला अभी सुनोड़ा हाय ओ शिट
वही बोल रहा हूँ ना, like if you see like even the constructors points right now it's like Red Bull का तो जितना भी points है it's just Max.
Yeah.
So it's one driver against two drivers of every team, dude.
सुनोड़ा कितने पॉइंट्स लिया है
Sonoda,
28, sorry.
28.
इसे मैक्सिमम पॉइंट्स रेसिंग बुल वाला रहेगा उसका.
But that's what I'm saying. Liam Lawson is over.
Hajar is
Sonoda.
at 51.
Hajar is at 51. Liam Lawson is
Lawson
at
is
like
at?
36.
oh my
So-
god
Like in a sister
Yeah.
team, if both of them are beating you,
yeah then
Then
वो
God.
रेड बुल से रेसिंग बुल में आके इसका आगे चला गया, ये रेसिंग बुल से रेड बुल में जाके कम हो
उसके
गया.
पीछे चले गया.
अच्छा है लॉसन के लिए अच्छा ही हुआ
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस सीजन आगे रहेगा कि नहीं वो पता नहीं बट एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस सीजन टू वही बचे है ना अभी 3 सीट रेड बुल का सेकंड सीट एंड रेसिंग बुल्स के 2 सीट वही बचे है बाकी सब
हाँ.
ready हो गया कंप्लीट
Lock हो गया.
But people are thinking कि December Abu Dhabi के बाद they'll announce and everything.
But I have a feeling they
feel
should
like
retain Lawson, dude. They should.
हाँ.
या लॉसन दे शुड थोड़ा सा प्रेशर में रखना चाहिए आई थिंक ही जस्ट वर्क्स अंडर प्रेशर थोड़ा सा प्रेशर में रख दो बट
and
ही इज
move
नॉट डूइंग अ
and
बैड
move
जॉब
Sonoda to Red Bull.
No,
so racing.
Sonoda को move out.
या सुनोड़ा मूव
हाँ,
आउट
Sonoda-
रेस्टोरेंट
अरे
खोल
नहीं
के
है,
दे दो
नहीं है।
रेस्टोरेंट खोल के दे दो उसको कि ये ले चालू कर ले तेरा रेस्टोरेंट
I think Helmet Ma को जो तू बोल रहा था, I don't know why he said sorry. I haven't followed
हाँ
that.
he said कि I should apologize to
Yeah.
Yuki I don't know what how they
But
fucked this
he
race
said
yesterday.
that only. I think I read somewhere abhi कि Sonoda is a better racer compared to like Lawson, but he doesn't have the consistency.
yeah
So if you're in a top team and then you're one of good, then what's the point?
then
So,
there's no point especially
Yeah.
some like Red Bull जैसा
Exactly.
with Max if it's tough for very good drivers to be near him now if you're inconsistent also then तो it'll just look horrible
Dude, I'm surprised considering that's Red Bull that they let Tsunoda finish the season.
that's true that's a good
Because
point
I didn't think that they would let Tsunoda finish. मेरे को लगा बीच में ही निकाल देंगे उसको, but
people
good for
keep
him.
saying कि आधा ग्रेड is from the Red Bull Academy रहेगा ही ना भाई ऐसे 3 रेस दे रहे सबको तो फिर मतलब सब वही से आएंगे ना बाकी सब टाइम
Yeah.
लेते हैं
Yeah.
नहीं वो लोग नहीं निकालेंगे बिकॉज एक होता था कि काफी रिशफलिंग हो चुका था ऑलरेडी एंड वो टीम का नाम भी खराब होता है एंड दे और मेरे को
और टीम का नाम तो वैसे भी ज्यादा खराब हो ही गया आफ्टर
वही।
क्रिश्चियन
मैं-
होना
मेरे को लगता है बट विद लॉरेन मैकी इज कमिंग इन दे आर डूइंग
The
वेल
vibe
No,
is
Mackie
good.
is doing really well. Even if you see his interviews, you know like how articulate he is
Yeah.
towards the drivers when they speak about the drivers. And he knows so much about the cars. He knows about the drivers. He incorporates both of them. And like he's given Max a car right now, which is so good.
like मतलब बहुत जल्दी
Yeah,
से
Along with the help of the entire
of course
team and the engineers and everything.
I also
The
feel like
vision that he has is very
but
good.
is it his work क्योंकि I mean he just came in so is his
no, maybe not entirely, but
Yeah.
I feel like that vibe shift is definitely there. Because
Yeah.
if you see like Horner versus if you see Mackie is
course.
talking only,
वो दिख ही
you're
जाता
like हाँ
है।
बहुत
दूर से ही समझ आ
Yeah,
जाता है कि
yeah.
वो टॉक्सिसिटी थोड़ा कम हो गया है यहाँ
Yeah.
पर
और मैकीज गुटखा भी नहीं खाता ना ऑनर खाता था गुटखा
Horner खाता था।
आप बताइए अब ड्राइवर का तो ऐसा
कौन सा गुटका कौन सा गुटका
क्या
कौन सा गुटका गोवा बोल रहा है वो
There is a brand, no? Goa, yeah.
गोवा करके भी एक ब्रांड है
मेरे को लगा मानिक चंद या कुछ बोल And another very surprise. I don't know why I'm calling it surprising, but it is kind of surprising to me. Is like Haas getting double points.
yeah
It's so weird.
Ocon is above Behrman here,
Yeah,
na?
Ocon came P9 and Behrman came P10. So that's 3 points.
स्ट्रॉन्ग केस फॉर
Full
फेरारी
strong
Yeah.
case, dude. I did not expect every rookie this season to be very good.
Surprisingly, the case is so strong that I don't want him to go to Ferrari.
Yeah.
Like just continue staying in Haas
Yeah,
only at this
the
point.
timing is
Please.
also very. Behrman is doing very well. At the same time, Leclerc is so tired of
Yeah.
Ferrari. So maybe if Leclerc leaves, they have a new
I think
replacement.
they
I
should
don't
get a
think he'll
new lineup altogether.
Altogether?
Yeah.
Ferrari.
But Leclerc has a long-term contract.
29 tak na?
Yeah.
Contracts
I
can
think
be
exit clause
manipulated,
रहेगा
man.
उसमें, exit clause
Yeah.
रहेगा.
Of course.
और
रहेगा,
कितना
exactly.
रोएगा
But
भाई
I think Leclerc at this point has that Stockholm syndrome कि नहीं भाई यही है जो है.
But the thing with that also is like कितना और
भाई मतलब लकलोक को हम
कितना?
लोग ने कभी कंटेंशन में ही नहीं देखा वो आधा साल
like look at
22 में,
Piastri,
but
dude. Piastri इतने टाइम से कितने टाइम से है वो
3 साल
and compared to Leclerc
वो है ना
it feels
I wanna
like
see Leclerc.
it feels like Ferrari is doing him wrong at this point.
Yeah.
I would rather see if Leclerc in a Mercedes or a Red Bull coming up than I can't see him in Ferrari
But I
anymore.
feel like
dude.
if Leclerc even leaves, then he has just like all the middle tier teams to go, dude. There's
Yeah.
top में तो कोई जगह ही नहीं है.
मर्सिडीज में रसल को निकाल के नहीं करेंगे
no,
क्योंकि I
because
think they're
Russell is
both
still they still
Russell
signed him
is-
for 1 year.
and also
But
It's not
I have
like a
feeling
multi-year
it-
contract.
I know
Yeah.
it's not a multi.
no it's a 1+1 but with some clause वहाँ
yeah.
पर yeah.
But I still feel like they'll keep Russell because
he's doing very good
हाँ
dude.
लोग बोलते हैं अरे रसल एकदम से काम मैंने बोला कंसिस्टेंसी मैटर करता है यार इज अ ग्रेट ड्राइवर ही डजंट हैव द कार टू फाइट फॉर चैंपियनशिप राइट नाउ बट इज अ गुड ड्राइवर एंड वंस दे गिव हिम दैट कार आई थिंक दे हैव अ गुड
I think
लाइनअप
he'll do it
Then
dude.
what about Leclerc and Red Bull?
नहीं Leclerc का पहली
No.
बात तो
this
स्ट्रेटजी
this is like taking an adopted kid from one abusive household
Yeah,
and
to
putting it in
another
the other
abusive.
abusive household.
I think
But he's always been
Mercedes-
adaptive towards cars.
अरे
I think
स्ट्रेटेजी छोड़ो यार बीच में हुआ था ना प्रैक्टिस में कुछ हो गया सॉरी काटा
नहीं, please.
लेक्लर का वो इंजन बंद पड़ गया तो लेक्लर को बोला इंजन बंद पड़ गया तो उसको लेक्लर खुद से चालू किया इंजन फिर कुछ तो लात वात मारा ठप कर ऐसा मारा फट 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 मारा फिर उसको इंजीनियर बोलते मे बी
तो TV का remote है क्या?
यू शुड थिंक ऑफ रीस्टार्टिंग द इंजन मैंने बोला ये स्ट्रेटेजी है द प्रॉब्लम विद आल्सो फेरारी इज दैट इज जस्ट द टीम इज वेरी इनकंसिस्टेंट द स्ट्रेटेजी इज एवरीवेयर
And then that idiot of a fucking someone in the corporate who said it's not the cars, it's the drivers.
no the CEO
The CEO, yeah.
CEO said it.
How
CEO, yeah,
dare
no,
he,
yeah,
man?
yeah.
How
I forgot his
fucking
name,
dare
but
he?
the CEO. No, I just
Blamed
remembered.
Hamilton.
Sorry, random aside here, but I just remembered Kal Norris when he was trying to catch up to Max and he wasn't able to. He was talking to his engineer, and his engineer just said, "Okay." Just do more. He just said, told Norris ki do more. And even the commentators were like, oh, he just said do more. I was like, oh, chalo, सबको ही नफरत है इससे. खुद का
Hey,
engineer बोल रहा है do more. साले.
I feel that's why like your engine like coming back to this engineer thing. Yesterday, even for the podium with Red Bull and
GP,
having Max
yeah.
and GP,
Yeah.
it felt so good because I think GP and Max are the only second pairing after yeah
Hamilton
and
and Bono.
Hamilton and Bono. And I'm like, dude, they are so in sync
Yeah.
that you can see it in his driving. Ki he's backed by his engineer so nice.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any engineer right now on the grid who backs their driver so
Yeah,
well.
not
Bono
like
and
GP.
Kimi are like
Haan,
Bono
now
is
Bono is
nurturing Kimi.
But I'm
yeah.
saying in a long-term sense, to abhi tak,
Yeah.
it's just them, dude.
them assigning Bono also doing really good for Kimi because he's training Kimi
Yeah.
and Bono being in that ecosystem for a while that helps Kimi like acclimatize to the conditions really well.
And why the plan is long-term for them, so it makes sense to have someone like a senior engineer for a talent that they think will do like
सोच
well.
रहा 10 साल बाद भी किमी 30 साल का भी नहीं होगा भाई ये क्या है ये क्या है भाई
But coming back to
It's a very good
Behrman,
investment. I mean,
Yeah.
he can be their max.
yeah pretty much
But coming
Why
back
Bono?
to
it's the same parallel.
Behrman,
हाँ,
like
sorry.
which team can he go to?
I mean
नहीं मेरे को
Ferrari होगा।
फेरारी ही
Ferrari ही
जाएगा
जाएगा
मेरे को लगता है 2026 में हैमिल्टन को वो लोग कुछ भी करके बोलेंगे हाँ भाई चला तो गाड़ी 2027 में they'll
Yeah.
chuck him out.
Culti.com.
Yeah, for sure.
And it's so unpleasant what is
It's
happening
too
to him. It's just
unpleasant.
sad.
Yeah.
The goat, man. The goat.
dude it's very bad
It's actually not even sad, it's just disrespectful at this
Yeah,
point.
Very.
man.
You're not even letting him. Well, it's so. I don't know, it's suffocating, toxic that the corporate is literally killing his will to drive, dude, in one sense.
और ऊपर से ऐसा भी सुना मैं रूमर्स कि वो जो टॉप मैनेजमेंट है ना दे आर नॉट लाइकिंग द फीडबैक दैट हैमिल्टन गिव्स
Yeah.
because Ferrari is not used to that feedback. I'm like, you should have known that you got in a WDC and you just fucked him over, man. I mean that's And
Dude, yeah, of course
And
his
the way
feedback
he's talking in media, that shows कि उसका self confidence has gone for a toss, and it's just sad.
It's
What's the
very
point
sad,
of getting
man.
a WDC who has experience and will give
And
you
then being
feedback
like,
when you don't want that feedback?
or
only,
you
dude?
get a 7-time WTC and then when he says something like तू बात कैसे किया बे लौड़े चुपचाप
And my point is,
दिया ना तेरे को 100 million
हाँ, वही,
चुप
back
बैठ बेंच
power.
exactly. My point is, तुम लोग ने इतना पैसा दिया सुन तो लो.
वही
It's not like you all got
अरे
it
they
cheap and
just
then you're
Ferrari
disrespecting.
corporation is just
उस दिन हाँ
dumb, dude.
उस दिन मैं सुना कि एंथनी हैमिल्टन गया वो फेरारी हॉस्पिटैलिटी में, तो उससे बोला बिसी बेले बात दो एक, तो बोलते हैं बिसी बेले बात नहीं आपके लिए कर रहे इसे. मैंने बोला क्या चालू है यार ये?
तैर सादम.
हाँ?
तैर सादम ना.
हाँ मैंने बोला मैंने बोला क्या चालू, बोलते नो बिसी बेला बात फॉर हिम. बोलता है कि आप बिसी बेले बात खाते हो, आपको गैस होता है, फिर आप पाते बैठते हो. मैंने बोला क्या
Wow,
फालतू गिरी है.
बहुत टाइम बाद मैं बसी बेले बात सुना हूँ तो
ऊपर लेकिन नो बिसी बेला बात फॉर यू.
पुलियो गिरे.
Oh my
पुलियो गिरे.
god.
उसको पोलियो गिरे दिया, गैस हो गया.
Shit is damn funny.
But coming
हाँ
coming
Bearman
to
Bearman
Coming back to bear.
for the third time but I feel
Are we
like-
done with Bissell?
yeah, I think we are done with Bisse Wale Baat, Pulio Gere, Tayar Sadam, everything we've done.
Wait,
Imagine just Anthony Hamilton going
अरे
one bici bele bat and some chips. I'm like, fuck you. We don't have any bici bele bat.
okay coming back to Bearman
Yeah. Because Anthony Hamilton went from Khar Vrindavan to Las Vegas. Bellagio में वो जाके Bisse Wale Baat मांग रहा
Oh my
है.
god, my
नहीं.
stomach.
but Bearman क्या बोल रहा था भाई
Shifting to Ferrari. Shifting to
There is no
Ferrari.
other place. Where will he go? अब वो हाथ में he wants to be in Ferrari. वो
Yeah.
दिखता है उसका कुछ देखा भी था कि I can't wait to be in red. I don't know how they hypnotize करते हैं ये लोग नए लोगों
लेगेसी
को.
इशू है ना, लेगेसी इशू है.
अबे क्या लेगेसी भाई देख अब लेगेसी ठीक
I
है.
would do this 100 million
Yeah,
times.
dude, legacy ठीक है, but then you keep seeing people get fucked when they go to Ferrari, but newer people come like, I also can't wait
It's
to be
exactly,
fucked. This
it's
is
exactly like those relationships where a toxic guy is there, where a nice girl is there. Nice girl is like, I can fix this toxic
what?
guy.
Yes,
Let me be with him.
yes.
At the end of the day, she also becomes toxic.
हाँ वही हो जाता है.
It's exactly that.
भाई लक टॉक्सिक तो नहीं हो रहा है, but he's doing everything else. I saw that he's selling scarves. I was like क्या कर रहा है भाई तू ये
अरे शादी आ रहा है भाई उसको बेचने का सामान बेचने दे।
15,000 का स्कार्फ है बहुत
उसको
अच्छा
शादी के लिए पैसा चाहिए यार बेचने दे अगले को
ये बुक किया ना, विलेपाल ने बुक किया.
कौन सा फ्लैग्स
नहीं
हाँ,
नहीं
Flex.
अबे नहीं
हाँ।
भाई वो लैंडमार्क बुक किया गोरेगांव ईस्ट साई बाबा कॉम्प्लेक्स. बट
और हैमिल्टन उसमें संगीत डांस कर रहा है.
आया ना अभी टेरी क्रूज
सूरज के
तेरा टेरी
बाहों
क्रूज
में।
बीकेसी में आया था
तुम्हारा क्या टेरी क्रूज आता है लास वेगास? हमारे बीकेसी में था उस दिन वो, हम लोग को दिखा वो उधर रोल खा रहा था वो रास्ते पे
नहीं, वो
लिंकिंग
सच में
रोड पे.
BKC में था
हाँ,
Terry
हाँ,
Crews.
सच में
अरे
BKC में
शॉर्मा
था
खा
वो।
रहा था. बोला क्या रे टेरी.
One of the favorite things about watching any Las Vegas GP is the show shot, dude.
Yeah.
मजा तो आता है काफी देखने
मजा
में.
आता है.
that pink Cadillac made of Lego was really cool.
Yeah,
I wish
that
they
was
come
very
out of a
Dude, and
miniature Lego.
Terry Crews singing, making my way downtown.
Oh,
और वो
walking
अच्छे से ऐसे
Da, da, da,
कैमरा में
da,
देख
da,
के भी
And Max instigated it, dude.
Yeah.
I was like, from Max
sing
ने
a
white
song.
chicks देखा है भाई.
It's his song. He had to do it, dude. One of the most interesting thing about that Cadillac thing is, I don't know if you've seen this, but so they had this one Lego plate where the track was there, Las Vegas track, and they had kept Verstappen, उसके पीछे Norris, and उसके पीछे Russell, basically first, second, third.
Podium.
हाँ, podium. And then Norris took that and he removed McLaren and put it Red Bull के आगे, dude. And then he just kept it slightly. And then Max again took it and put Norris पीछे. और उसके 1.5 घंटे बाद आ गया कि DSQ.
Yeah, I think-
Like, dude,
भाई।
the
this-
stewards came and फाट करके नॉरिस का हटा दिया. Like,
Yeah,
"भाग
dude,
साले
this-
तू
this
कहीं
felt
नहीं
ये
a
है.
lot
नॉरिस का
like
वो जो
karma.
लेगो था ना, वो लेके कच्चे डब्बे
हाँ,
में.
वही. तू कहीं नहीं है साले भाग.
बेचारे.
एंटोनेली को वहां रख दिया छोटा सा एंटोनेली वहां पर.
चिमुकला एंटोनेली.
मैं वो लेगो भी नहीं एंटोनेली को ही रखा.
And out of nowhere, dude, even the driver's interview was in front of Bellagio, dude. And driver's
yeah.
interview हो गया.
Yeah.
And then they had a full fountain show, dude.
With Mickey Mouse conducting
Mickey
the ceremony, dude.
Oh yeah, I saw ऐसे.
Oh, dude, that was so cool. Very
But
dramatic.
Bellagio last year भी वही था ना.
No, Bellagio था, but they didn't have such an extensive. Dude, I think that entire fountain show was like over the span of like 3-4 minutes, dude. But
Yeah.
क्या fountain show था?
But और क्या हुआ उसके आगे पीछे क्या, क्योंकि लास वेगास इज वेरी
So, there was
फ्लैशी.
that-
तो
They had a lot
Drivers
of
funny,
great
dude.
overtakes,
Yeah.
which I
नहीं नहीं
feel.
नॉट रेस.
No, the Shosha
The
part.
Shosha part.
Race show.
Sorry.
रेस नहीं
Las Vegas is never a race,
It's
dude.
never the race.
Las Vegas GP has to be the best marketing campaign in recent
Yeah,
times.
yeah.
And you
पहले
know,
मोनाको था, अभी लास वेगास
हाँ,
है.
do you guys know how much the paddock passes costs?
No.
$15,000. Wait 1 second. INR अपने INR वाले पब्लिक के लिए.
नहीं मत बोल,
नहीं मेरे को देखने गया अभी.
मत बोल.
3,50,000 के आस
अबे 13 लाख 14 लाख भैंचोद.
इतने पूरा फैमिली मसाई मारा जाता है केनिया में.
14 लाख भाई एक पैडक पास का. Just imagine, people have bought it, but everything is free. Once you pay for the pass, you get everything for
आपका
free.
ढूंढ दो क्या है? ढूंढ धोने के लिए एक आदमी.
Dude, 15,000 अगर इसमें पे करेंगे, वो लोग ऐसा नॉर्मल फ्लाइट में जाते हैं क्योंकि फर्स्ट क्लास में जाना पड़ेगा.
पता नहीं.
बस
अगर
पैसा बचता नहीं. एसटी बस टी लास वेगास.
it would be so funny if they spend all their money on the
Yeah.
pass, but जा रहे हो लोग इकोनॉमी से.
वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ
चार
कि
connecting
but
flight
these must be
लेके.
very very rich people ना,
Yeah,
तो
of course, dude.
And most of them get it for free, man. Like, for
Yeah.
God's sake.
Trophy, dude. What a great trophy.
Very nice
Yeah, that
trophy.
was a
Very
good
nice.
very-
ऐसा लाइट वाइट आ रहा था, एकदम मस्त लगा, एकदम.
रिचिकड़ी.
but Las
But I
Vegas में
think, yeah, so.
Las Vegas में first year when it's happening, I think everyone's like क्या ये गंदा चालू कर दिया. But I think
Yeah.
people have been like, okay, ये time pass तो है भाई, Las
Yeah.
Vegas time pass तो है. Miami
That's what-
चूतिया है.
Apart
मैं बोलने
from
वाला
the-
मायामी इरिटेटिंग
Miami
करता है.
चूतिया है. but-
Apart from racing, Las Vegas is good for every other
Yeah,
thing.
yeah,
You
yeah.
get celebs, you get like a nice drivers day parade, fountain show मिलता है. You get like crazy things.
But the
like
race is
But the
also
race is-
sometimes
the race
good,
is also
yeah.
really
Yeah,
fun.
yeah.
I
It's not a
like-
bad track. That's
Yeah.
why people have
I
walked
don't
up
like
to it.
playing it, but I like watching it. It's,
Nah, I
it's
like
fun.
playing it. It's a nice. It's a nice.
And you get spear, dude.
Oh
You get to see
yeah,
the spear,
dude. And when Charles was going और उसके spear पे ऐसे लगा रहा था कि ऐसे जा रहा है,
Yeah.
Charles like, I've never looked this great.
I feel it's worth the money for them, I
Yeah.
guess.
It is, and it's F1 only doing it. No, it's
Yeah.
not like someone like paying. Las Vegas isn't paying. They're putting the money. F1
Dude,
is putting the money in.
तू सोचना, I think till some time back, the only like area geographically to have that many races was UAE, dude.
Yeah.
And now it's Las Vegas in 3 years.
Middle East.
Middle East.
Yeah.
Middle East. And now it's US in 3 years, dude. We
Yeah.
have Miami, we have Kota, we have Las
Austin.
Vegas.
एक बार बुध भी आ जाए बस बुध इंटरनेशनल
हाँ.
सर्किट
हाँ.
उसके वीडियोस देखता
सब
हूँ
एयर
मैं.
डर्टी एयर. सब एयर डर्टी है उसमें. चालू ही डर्टी एयर से हो रहा है.
जो सबसे आगे है स्टिल डर्टी है.
रसल का रंडी रोना बंद नहीं होएगा.
रसल ऐसा निकला उल्टी
Dude, I swear
सब
वो
लोग
वे-
अपना वाइजर से एक प्लेन
Dude,
निकाल
वो
रहे हैं.
वेटल वाले अगर you see those photos,
Yeah, yeah,
it's so disgusting. You just see
Yeah.
the air and like क्या है
नहीं
ये
होगा
भाई?
यार.
दोनों
बुद्ध
गाड़ी के
मतलब-
दोनों साइड पे एयर प्यूरिफायर लगा के बांध के जा रहे हैं सब.
Oh, by the way, किसी ने लास्ट मेक्सिको में कमेंट किया था कि I had given
I
the
did the
correct
prediction.
prediction. Why didn't
Sorry.
you
Oh,
give me
dude,
a
we're
shout
so
out?
sorry, man.
So before this race, prediction winners. Sorry, Rehan 6432. We forgot. We missed you out. So congratulations on
Which
Getting
GP?
the Brazil GP predictions right.
Yes, you got
Yes.
GG,
bit
brother.
right.
So sorry.
Yeah, हो जाता हूँ. हमसे
Please.
Unsubscribe मत कर देना बस.
Please. अच्छा, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Give us some grace.
Yes.
This time predictions, we have 4 people who got it right. The new one तो nobody got
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
क्योंकि Antonelli था ही नहीं किसी
हाँ.
case में.
But we'll still give you all the benefit of the
Yeah.
doubt and be
The four
like, you all
people
did
are-
win.
Yeah.
जो ट्रैक में हुआ वो देखते हैं उसके
Yeah,
बाद
yeah,
वाला
yeah.
नहीं.
So the 4 people are Grim_141.
Woohoo!
Congratulations.
One chai samosa from us, please have.
Ravi this side.
क्या बात है? Which side?
Which
अब
side?
मतलब उसका यही है.
रवि this side.
अच्छा वही है उसका
अच्छा,
Instagram
ठीक है,
handle.
ठीक है.
Ravi this side. The next is मैं अंकुर हूँ.
Oh, okay.
मैं याशु. वो गोविंद है.
By the way, great name.
I love this handle.
मैं अंकुर हूँ.
And the last guy is Anurag_NKR. So
NKR.
congratulations.
Very nice.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Do a celebration.
Congrats and not congrats also क्योंकि गलत हो गए तुम लोग थोड़े घंटों में ही.
We'll take it back.
Yeah.
Just how the FIA took all the things back
Yeah.
from McLaren.
But thank you for sending
Thank you.
predictions,
Yeah.
guys.
Now send your predictions for Qatar GP. But before that, let's hear
Yes,
what
Shetty.
our predictions are going to
I
be.
really want the Piastri. I think for one race, they should his family should hire Sebastian Vettel as the real winner.
Ah.
Sprint and
No,
GP
just
अलग
the
है.
race.
Just
Main
the
races.
Just the race. Okay. Just the race.
So just the race, the Piastri, Verstappen, and George Russell, and Norris DNF.
DNF.
Good one. Good one.
Nice one.
I like this. I mean, I'll also go for Piastri, Max, Antonelli. Chalo.
Piastri, Max, Antonelli.
Yeah, I'd like this one.
I'll play it safe. I'll go Max, Piastri, Lando Norris.
Ooh.
Oh. I
I
think
still
it'll
want
be
that last race fight. Like,
Yeah, same. I also want it to be thoda level.
Yeah.
uske
Yeah.
liye.
I think it'll be Max, Russell, Piastri.
I like Piastri. Lot of hope for Piastri. Piastri, please.
We are
Because he did well last time.
I know,
in G.
but please,
Yeah.
please, dude.
In sprint, he did well.
Yeah,
But-
please, dude. Don't
Yeah.
make me more sad, dude. Please, thoda aaja.
And also, the interesting overall race, yaar. 7th of December, 5:30 p.m. right here in Caterpillar. We are doing live podcast. Tickets
Yes.
on Book My Show. Come on, आ जाओ. Hype करो ये video को.
Yes.
Follow us on the Drivers to Survive.
And thank you so much for everyone who's followed us on Instagram.
Yeah.
We've reached 4,500 followers.
Yes.
That's crazy. That's
Yeah.
bloody crazy. And giving love to the new account because we lost our old account, and this is
Boom! Lost it.
surreal,
lovely.
man. That's very nice.
Simply lovely, simply amazing. Subscribe to our channel and
Yes.
thank you so much, guys. We'll see you next week.
And kiss your loved ones.
yeah. And put your predictions in the comments.
Yeah.
Yeah. What?
Okay.
Okay,
Give
we'll
your
see.
predictions on who you would
Yes.
kiss.
Call your friends.
Your loved
Tell them
ones.
you love them.
Yeah,
We'll
tell
see you
them.
all after the Qatar GP. But till then, Govind Menon, Siddharth Shetty, Vivian Castellino, Yash Barse, thank you so much for watching Drivers to Survive. We will see you all for the
Kiss your
next
friends,
episode.
Bye bye.
Adios.
Noodles and noodles.
Easy.